Hello my amazing viewers, welcome back to Cook with Grace Sweet. So in today's video we'll be making Custiyamarita. Yes, so we're making something yummy, something delicious, something we've never tried before. We're trying it for the very first time. So I cut my yam, I sliced them into a little chunk, and then I washed the yam. You have to wash it properly. This is a new recipe, so you can call it a continental dish or maybe something you need to try, but I tried this and it was so wonderful. So after peeling the yam and cutting them, slicing them, I boiled my hot water, pour a little salt, and I boiled the yam for like 5 minutes. Then I drain out the water from the yam and set it aside, cover it. Then I break my egg and add my salt and whisk. Okay, so I added my custard. Yes, we are using Checkers custard to make this recipe. So after adding my Checkers custard, I added a little salt, added my black pepper, and then added my no cube. If no be no, it cannot be no. Okay, so sprinkle I use just 1 cube and sprinkle the other one there, mix properly. If you're just coming across this video, today is your first time watching this video, thank you for watching. This is Cook with Grace Sweet. So that's breadcrumbs is what we've used in making our bread before. Yes, that's the edges of the sliced bread I used to make one of my sandwich in my previous video. So I did the toast bread. So if you want to know how I got the breadcrumbs or how I make mine, let me know in the comments below. So after doing that, you dip the custard mixture, the egg, then add it in the breadcrumbs, then roll. After everything, I clean, because cleanliness is next to godliness. Always clean your environment, wash your hand properly before you start cooking. Then in a hot pot of oil, we start frying. Please tell us where you're watching us from so that we send you a hug in my next video. Today's hug is going to somewhere watching from UAE. I hope you love the recipe. Thanks for this watching Cook with Grace Sweet. So you fry to the yam gets golden brown, then you bring it out, and guys, look at the face of the Custiyamarita. Look at the face, it was so crimson. Then I add my ketchup, I add black pepper, and the taste was out of this world. Believe me, you try this Custiyamarita, you will love the recipe. I love you guys and see you guys in my next video. Hope you'll be giving it a try. Let me know. Bye.